good to go.
Let's go.
Alright.
We should go.
Oh, I'm so slow.
Honestly, might be better because Carter.
Yep.
Might be better if you just hang back.
Okay.
Oh, maybe. No, just try and stick with us. Can you... Do you have a red whip? You don't.
No, it's okay.
No, you do. Yeah, you do. You can stick with us.
What's a red whip?
It gives you a little bit of speed out
Okay.
of combat.
When you're out of combat.
So it looks like we're gonna go right here.
Alright, Grayson, for the memories, can you tell us why this is why we're recording this?
Okay, well, Nick has a pretty OP build.
Yeah.
He's got Spinal Tonic with 9 charges, so he's gonna be constantly in Spinal mode, which is like really OP. And I am playing Engineer with 43 mushrooms, and that means I do a lot of healing, but I also have the healing damage item, which also means I'm just gonna be doing lots of healing and lots of damage. And that's why this is a special run.
Hell yeah.
Basically, we're just going insane-o mode.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trailing behind, but I'm working my best to get there.
Okay, yeah.
Looking at this main guys.
Yeah, I'm just not gonna do any damage, but it's all good. Just along for the ride, baby.
I'm just like fighting this dude. Oh, I can.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh, we got one of these
we got
things.
A friend. We got a friend.
Oh, let's go!
Okay.
Literally back to 9 charges.
Maybe I'm getting a little too brazen over here. Should probably just let Nick do all the damage.
And like you can stand anywhere in here and you're getting healed by my trees.
Which is just nuts. And it heals so much too.
It really does.
Like, I can't think of a more perfect build with like the damage and the healing. And then you have this unlimited speed. It's crazy.
This was the run. This was meant to be.
This was worth waiting, you know, playing until 1 AM for.
Yeah, for sure. Now we all have a bunch of trucks. We'll take all the efficiency. Should we get the blood one, or should we go and see if we can trade in items? I mean, I don't really care if
Blood
we're
one's
trading in items.
zero.
Yeah. And it's
Well, you guys are really far away. I can't hear Nick very good, but
oh really?
I'll move my mic closer.
yeah, that's a little bit better. Yeah. Clearly, I was not paying attention because you guys are quite a ways away.
Its healing radius is insane.
Yeah.
I can't even see it.
Well, I'm quite a ways away, and I can see how big it is. It's insane. Also, my lightning does a decent amount of damage. Which is,
Yeah, let's go back. Oh, I think we need one more pillar. It says 3 out of 4 on that.
Wonder, Grayson, you think I'll make this jump over here? All the way?
And if
Honestly,
you
could
don't,
just head to the Mithrix portal.
yeah, head to where the Mythics thing is.
Okay.
Because we're just doing one more checkpoint.
Oh, I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit.
Oh, careful, bro. Oh no, should I go save him?
Anything good?
Or can you just stay invisible for as long as you can?
Yeah, I'm gonna hide over here. Alright, I'm gonna come to you for your heals.
We're kind of far away though.
Okay.
We'll try to just get the Mithrix portal up really fast.
Yeah.
Jump on it. Are you
I think
close to it?
I'm in a spot where I don't think any enemies can get me, so I think I'm okay.
It's so much healing damage, dude. Look at I mean, I
I
guess
want to
you're
stop
probably...
shooting and just see what you're doing. Holy.
Alright. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's
Alright.
skedaddle.
Mithrix time.
I'm going to this thing. Is that what you meant? Like the big?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Launch up.
If I go up there, will it wait? Like, will it wait to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just have to not go all the way in
Yeah, that makes
once
sense.
you get up there.
Oh, what's going on? It threw me off. Oh no.
Oh, did you?
You can't take fall damage though.
Oh, okay.
It does do that sometimes.
Yeah.
Right, I'm up here.
A little bit buggy. I didn't quite make it, so I gotta re-jump here.
Yeah.
Alright. No.
That would have been bad if I could take fall damage.
You can actually break your fall damage shift though. Are you up here, Kurt?
I'm coming.
Yeah, if you time it right before you spawn back on the land.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to time actually.
I'm here. I'm here.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it.
Get those turrets down, baby.
Where should I set up?
Just spread them out. Spread them out a
Yeah.
little bit.
But I still want them to...
I'd say like, oh,
Well, I already placed one because we're already getting healed here.
I'm just gonna try and stay as close to you guys as well in the healing circle and as close to.
Oh, it just got rid of it.
Yeah, I see what you mean by his ability to one-shot, though.
yeah.
But just stay in the healing. Healing overlap. You'll go right back. Oh, you just killed me. Oh, I didn't place that one in a good spot. Okay, I gotta place them far enough away so they don't get hit by that little blast there. See, it just died again.
I'm honestly surprised that
I mean, he is level 64. He's never been this high. But the thing is, like, my healing damage, I need to be close to that.
Yeah.
So that's like, yeah.
This is the highest level of Mythrix I've ever faced. You guys still doing okay?
Well, we can just stay by my turrets here.
So is this stage just to take care of the whatever spawned in?
Oh, we're gonna have friends. Oh, they might get healed. They might get healed. Yeah. We'll just stay full health. Yeah, I'm healing this guy.
No way.
Yeah, so if I just go and heal.
Yeah. Woo. I'm just staying as airborne as possible.
That's honestly probably the biggest weakness. Load above it the whole fight. Then like the only thing you have to worry about is shooting.
Oh yeah. How did we dodge this thing?
Yeah, this thing, we just heal through it. I honestly think that's all we have to do.
As long as the turret's not full by and we can get it. We have to figure out how to do that.
Yeah. Okay, well, one turret died, so I'm gonna place the other one. It just killed the other one. Oh, it did. Yeah, no, never mind.
Yeah, I'm just not doing a whole lot. I'm just kind of hanging out up here on one of the pillars.
Okay, nice.
Got a good bird's eye view. I'm just shooting my lightning down. That's the only thing I can really do.
He's about to do it again. Do you have your turrets down?
I have both down right now.
Nice.
Oh, one's dead. Oh, they're both dead.
All
Oh, they're
right.
both dead.
Everybody stay alive.
And I don't have it up. Hold on either.
Okay. I didn't get hit at all.
Me neither.
Me neither.
But we still gotta run around. Still gotta run around because I still don't have any turrets.
If you guys come up to one of these pillars up here, if you jump up on top, you'll be okay.
I got a turret down. I got a turret down.
Alright.
We're okay. Yeah, it hit me, but I just got back to full HP. Like really quickly, so...
He's almost there. Is this the last? How many versions?
There's
of him?
one more. There's one more. Wait, hold on. Is he
You
just...
don't have
Is
the
he...
right
Oh, he walks around, so he won't heal. We can kill him here, right? Anyone?
Yeah. I'm shooting him.
Yeah, okay, alright. So we gotta be careful here, because he's gonna have a bunch of items.
I think I keep my active though, right?
Yeah, I keep my active.
Okay.
So what's the game plan?
I don't
You just
lose
keep
my
shooting him?
Yeah, and stay active. Stay
Just
jumping
keep
around.
moving.
Okay, I think we got him.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, someone got ringed on. Oh, I'm getting hit.
Stay jumping. It's really hard for him to hit you jumping.
Okay, I've got my jumps back. I see my fuel cells back.
Oh, I have my... Guys, come to my side. I have my shrooms. We're okay. Yeah, we're okay.
Oh, frick. My fuel cells are automatically max charge.
Nice.
Alright,
Alright.
now we just find the... Oh my god,
Where is it?
beetle guards are still attacking.
What are these floaty things? Oh, we gotta go.
We jumped through it.
Yeah, we gotta go.
I'm gonna
I'm
just.
so nerfed right now.
I'm just
I'm
gonna
so
follow.
Oh, you are nerfed. Holy.
Where's the ship?
It's pinged on your map.
Pinged on the
Yeah.
map. Oh yeah.
Okay, I got a charge of Spinel back, and I think my
Wait,
cooldown should be fast
Can we
enough.
can we not go through the barrier here to get out?
You have to go through one of the
Yeah,
portals.
you gotta go
the
through one of
little
the portals, brother.
Oh shit. My bad. I've only done this the one time, so there we go. Okay. Shit. All right, there's enemies over here. Could you imagine being someone that dies at this part?
Oh, we definitely have.
Yeah. Sometimes it can be like that.
Yeah.
Remember when I was doing this for the first time, my butt was clenched real hard. Cause I didn't realize how many versions of Mithrix you're gonna have to face.
Yeah.
The first time I went up against him, I got it past like the first one, and then I was like, "You gotta be kidding me!" And then it took me a while to get through a good enough build to get through the next ones. I'm almost there.
It was so hard for us to just get past not getting one-shotted all the time. The
Yeah.
spinny.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in the.
Hard to deal with.
Are you supposed to be in the back of the ship or the front of the ship? Where
No,
am I?
you just gotta be in the ring.
Just jump around.
Oh Jesus
Yeah.
Christ!
Well, you don't have to jump around. There's lots of healing.
Okay. Grayson, are you here?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Oh no, no. Is it just like, do we have to wait for this to run down all the way to 0?
Yeah. No, it's 85%. Oh yeah, you probably.
Oh, it's gonna be
Did
close.
you obliterate? Did you obliterate for your skin?
No, I've beat this once, but I just got an achievement though. What is this one?
Let's go.
Yeah, I obliterated for my skin. That was the highest level Mithrix I've ever faced for sure.
Yeah, for sure. That was sick.
insane.
That was a ton of
That
fun.
was sick.
That build was nuts. We got pretty
Yeah.
lucky with items.
Yeah, true. That shroom printer at the very end there.
Shroom printer, 9 fuel cells, spindle tonic.
Yeah,
Unreal.
that was insane. GG's. And then you had that red item that exploded. Yeah, I want to see the damage
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
That's what I want to see. Press skip, boys.
Boys, how long have we been playing this for?
A long
Like
ass
5
time.
hours.
Jesus. Yeah, it's worth it.
Whoever hasn't press skip, because I want to see the damage charts here.
That was me. I pushed skip. Oh,
We gotta skip this one too?
Yeah,
I guess so.
skipping it.
I skipped it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I did decent amount of damage.
I did
And-
2,268,000.
Can I see your stats or can I only see my stats?
Yeah,
You can see
you just
all
click
of us.
through the arrows at the top.
Oh wow.
So I did 2,000,000. I did 2,100,000, and then you did 2,300,000.
Yeah, I didn't do much, boys. Didn't do much. You got
Yeah,
Your
but
minimum
hey.
damage belt is really high. I
Yeah,
think that's
yeah,
your
yeah.
turret, right?
Yeah. my
Or is that
turrets.
just yeah?
I think at
Yeah,
that
so I-
Your
point.
like-
damage overall is like tied with.
Pretty close to yours, yeah.
Yeah.
Eh,
Carter, your damage was through your donations to the shroom.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah. I think I just
Yeah.
at that point I was just like a person to be donating some of the items. So yeah.
Yeah.
How many shrooms did you have? 43? Oh my
43,
goodness.
man.
That's insane. That's so many.
That's the most shrooms we've ever had for sure.
Oh, for sure,
I think
yeah.
We had like 20 before.
Jesus.
Yeah. That was sick. Well, GG's, guys.
Yeah, that's a good one to end
43
on.
Shrooms with the Naku Hana's opinion. That's
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah.
That was fun.
insane.
I don't know if we'll ever top that. To be honest with you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
honestly.
We'll have to.
Honestly, I don't know if
We'll
We've
find
had some
out.
insane builds, but I think this is the most insane one we've ever had.
Oh,
Yeah.
for sure.
Well, I'm glad I was a
That's
part of it, but at the same time, some new DLCs dropping in 2022, so we don't know.
True.
We don't know.
good. Yeah,
True.
excited about that.
All right, boys.
All right, GG's.
I am. I think I'm just gonna stay up for a full 24 hours here. I'm just kidding. I'm going right to bed.
All right.
All
Good
right.
night,
Good
guys.
night.
Good night.